Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to hide low battery notification on Logitech MX Anywhere Free. Let's begin. In order to hide the notification, all we have to do is go to the Logitech Options application, and then right here at the bottom in the mouse options we have More. We want to click the More, and right here under notifications we have only one option: device battery becomes low. We can uncheck that in order to hide our notification so it won't show ever. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.